Hi friends, welcome back to our channel. Today would like to talk about adding a new distributor or member under us. Once you receive the login ID or password details, we should log in to Vestige POS app like this. So now you can see the home page of Vestige POS here. So you can see so many other buttons like order, my orders, add distributor, DAF, KYC or ID proof, etc. So if you see here and add distributor, just press add distributor. To add the distributor, make sure that these documents are with you. So the documents that are required for distributorship is, first one is any one KYC document. The KYC document can be anything like Aadhaar card, ration card, passport, driving license, anything, any one of them. And second one is email ID of the new distributor and phone number. This is very important because you need to note that the distributor ID and the password will be sent to that particular registered mobile number only. And in detail, so we need any one KYC document, email ID, phone number, and fourth one is date of birth of the member and PIN code, and then the spouse name and the current address if the address is different from the Aadhaar card. So these are the documents or the which are required for adding a new distributor. First, we need to validate the upline ID. For example, like I'm giving my ID and then say validate. After validating, you will be provided with the details of the upline ID details, and now say OK. And then select the country where the downline ID is going to be located. As we know that this ID is a global ID, that means if the Vestige is present in UAE or Bahrain, Oman, if you go, you can purchase the items even in these countries with your ID. So therefore, if the downline ID belongs to India, just press India and then read the guidelines and then say OK, followed by select one download ID. So they will give some of the IDs like this, or you can also choose your own. So you said choose your own, so you can write any ID like this. Make sure that it should be 8 digits and then say validate. So after validating whether if the same download ID is present, it says that already this ID exists. But if it does not exist, it will say that the number is registered, and then go to the distributor details. First press the title, whether he or she, Mr., Mrs. or Doctor or something like that. I'm pressing Mr., so I'm giving some Preetham, and then last name can be whether some other name or family name, and then date of birth of the person. So the date of birth is given and then press OK. So you can see the date of birth 7 November 1999, and the mobile number should be provided. And the email address should be given. And now select the distributor gender, whether if male or female, and the spouse if the distributor is married, and then give the address, the permanent address which was written either on so with this PO box number we need to say go, and then we can see the city is Visakhapatnam in Andhra Pradesh. So if you want to change any details here, you can say reset, and then you can change the details of the distributor. And now this has been done, so we can say that save the details. Okay, after you press the save, the details will be saved, and then it asks the KYC documents. So once this distributor ID is registered, we will receive the password to the registered mobile number, and then we need to submit the KYC documents here. So you can see the distributor ID and the distributor name here. I want to validate the KYC documents of the download ID, so I am going to type the download ID, and then you need to type the downline distributor name and what is the document type. So after giving the details of the downline ID and downline distributor name, which is followed by the document type, it can be Aadhaar card, passport details, or driving license or ration card. So the number you need to provide here the document number, and then after completing these two, you will get choose image. After pressing the choose image, go to gallery and then press choose image. Every new distributor need to fill the DAF form which was provided by the upline, and then should submit to the nearest centers, or you can also submit the form here. Now press DAF here. DAF means distributor authentication form. So press DAF here. You can see the DAF details here. First one is self, the next one is downline. So self means DAF details of ourselves. So if you want to submit the details of self, you need to write the distributor ID here, and then distributor name, followed by upload the signed DAF file here. It should be like in JPEG or JPG or PNG format, and here upload valid signed ID proof, whether it can be like passport or PAN card or driving license, which is again in JPEG or JPG or PNG form. So note here that please upload DAF with signature of self and upline, and distributor must upload their passport or PAN card or driving license with the signature along with the signed DAF form. Note this. Or if you want to fill the downline DAF form, first press downline here, and you can see already I logged in with my distributor ID and distributor name. So I'm going to give the DAF details of my downline. So I'm pressing here downline ID. So downline ID is something like this. So after writing the downline ID, immediately you can see the download distributor name of the particular distributor. And now go to upload signed DAF form. So choose from gallery. So I already chose here, and then now I'm going to upload the signed ID proof of PAN card. So again choose from, select an option, whether choose from gallery. So I'm again choosing from gallery. While uploading, You can upload anything like passport or PAN card or driving license. So I uploaded both, and now press upload DAF. You will get a message that DAF is uploaded successfully. So after 1 day, you will be provided with an SMS of the DAF is successfully submitted.